Hi guys, welcome to Sana Cooks.
Hi guys, welcome to Senegal.
So today guys, we're making Tunisian Brik Danouni. It can be fried or in the oven. My favorite is the oven option, the healthier option, but they are both taste amazing. My husband loves the fried one. My mother-in-law has the best Brik Danouni, and she make them fried and she make them all flours for the dough. I love the semolina mixed with flours, so I'm gonna show you how I make mine and also tell you what to do if you're gonna follow my mother-in-law recipe. Thank you for watching. Some thumbs up please, some comments to tell us how you like it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Hit the subscribe button, bam!
The ingredients for our Brik Danounis are meat, grounded meat. I have like a pound of grounded meat, some garlic to saute in the oil with it, and some spices. I'm gonna use salt, pepper, corianders actually, and some paprika to give it some color. For the stuffing, I'm gonna use the cooked meat with boiled eggs, hard-boiled eggs. Cheese, I'm gonna use Gruyère, which is flavorful, and that's what my mother-in-law used mainly when she does hers. I'm gonna mix it with some mozzarella cheese. For our Brik, we need semolina. I have 2 cups of semolina and 1 cup of flours and about 3/4 cup of butter. And then we will add some more water to make the dough. I started by warming up a little my pan. Oh no, I opened the wrong stove. So I'm gonna warm up a little bit my pan. Just a tiny bit of olive oils, not much, because the grounded meat will release its fat, so not much oils in there. As you can see, it doesn't even cover my pan. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit. And then I'm gonna saute the garlic on it. I'm not gonna tell you how much garlic to use because I love garlic, so I used like maybe eight little pieces, but you can use as much as you like. Once my garlic start to change colors, I'm gonna add my meat. I'm gonna add all my spices now. Don't worry about the quantity because this is all the spices for all the Briks, so you want to be really flavorful for the meat. You can have as much or as little spices as you want. This is gonna cook for about like 20 to 30 minutes until it's totally cooked, and then I'm gonna change it I'm gonna remove it to cool down, and I will show you how the stuffing will be. I'm gonna let this cook and simmer until all the water is dried up, and then I'm gonna put it aside to cool down before we use it for the stuffing. So to make my dough, I just need to melt my butter, have some warm water handy, and then mix my flour and semolina together. Wash my hands, and I melted my butter. So what you're gonna do in this step is make sure that all the grains are covered by oil. It's like sablé at this point. You're gonna try to get all the butter to all the grains and flour. Side note, my mother-in-law, Amiaza, hi Amiaza, we love you. She does all flours. You can do it all flours. If you are gluten intolerant, you can do it gluten-free all flours. When she does the all flours, she does add 1 egg to the mixture, but in my case I'm not gonna add the egg to the mixture, but you can if you want to. I'm gonna just get to the bottom too. At this point I'm gonna add my warm water to make my dough. And I'm making this video by hand, not like the pizza dough ones or the cinnamon rolls ones. Those ones I use them using my bread maker machine. I can use that for this recipe as well, but I wanted just to show you that you can also make them by hand if you want to. I'm going to transfer to I'm gonna knit a little bit until I had a soft texture. Maybe add a little bit of water in the process, because it depends on the flour that you're using. You might need more water than I do or less water than I do. So that's why I usually don't tell you how much to use water. I'm about half a cup right now of water. But it's gonna depend on your environment as well. If you're in a humid, warm country, or if you're in Canada, Nova Scotia, Halifax, it does depend. Or in the States, down south, it depends. Let me know, guys, if you want me to have the ingredient in the video or just in the description box, because I'm putting all the ingredients on the description box with the measures I'm using. But yeah, let me know if that works better for you or in the description on the video itself. And if you haven't done so, please don't forget to subscribe. Push the subscribe button, like, share and comment. I truly appreciate that. It helps support me and my channel. And thank you for all my subscribers and viewers that are coming back and viewing my recipe and liking them. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. Okay guys, so my dough is ready. I'm gonna put some olive oil in the back in the bowl. And then, by the way, you can substitute the butter by olive oils or regular oil, and this is gonna sit for about an hour. Hi guys, so my meat cooled down, my dough rested enough, and now I'm gonna extract it. Before I do so, I'm gonna show you how the mix is gonna look like. The mixture inside the Brik will be meat, boiled eggs, Gruyère cheese, and I'm gonna add some mozzarella cheese to it. I like the mozzarella texture.
Yum, yum, yum. Me too. I like it.
Yeah.
We use that for our pizzas, right?
Yes, and it's glowy and stretches. It's super yummy. So this is it for my mixture. The dough modeling step. So my dough rested for over an hour because I was busy doing another video, the second video of this series, which will be the pâté Tunisian pâté. I'm gonna take half, start with half, roll it out, I'm gonna make half of it fried and half of it in the oven. You know what? I might even make only 1/4 fried because I really like the oven ones. But just to show you, so it's the same concept. Instead of putting it in the oven, you fry it in oil. Just gonna make few for Turk and milk, and the rest for me. This video is being filmed before my birthday celebration, so all of this, like the pate and the Brik Danouni, all my friends will enjoy them when we get together. Following the restriction for COVID in Nova Scotia, we're gonna be less than 10 in the apartment, just to be sure and safe. And on those 10, we're gonna have 6 kids. Like, we're gonna be 4 grown-ups and 6 kids.
Yay! 6 kids! 6 kids! 6 kids!
I usually set them aside in the these right here, and once I'm ready to fill them, I will fill the whole thing up. So I'm gonna just keep cutting and shaping and knowing how much I have, and I will be back to show you how I fill one up. My pieces are cut. I'm gonna just take one at a time. Like, there is a special cutter for croissant or for Brik Danouni that will just, you will just put the piece and it will just roll it and you fill it. But I don't have that, so I'm gonna go with the manual way. So just fill it up. I always start with the middle, then all the sides. So again guys, next video will be Tunisian pate. This is the first video of the finger food series that I will be sharing the food that I will make on a birthday party or for picnic, or even like these ones, I will make them to freeze and put them in the lunchbox for my son. He loves them, and even for work, if we go back to work, those are very good. So I'm still working from home, guys. I don't know what you're doing. Are you still working from home? What's up with you? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, my Brik is ready. So those are the
favorites.
Yeah, those are the ones that we're gonna fry for Turk and milk, and those are the ones that are going to the oven. This is the one that Malik made for himself.
I want it to be fried.
You want it to be fried? Absolutely. Let's put it in the frying pan.
Yay!
I'm gonna do this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just use some egg wash.
Is it gonna still be the same number?
Yeah. So as I said, guys, I'm just gonna put some egg wash on top of it and then sprinkle it with some seeds. I have some curry seed and some black cumin seeds. So I'm just gonna
it smells so
sprinkle on top of the wash.
It smells so
And the oven is already preheated at 375.
Oh my god, so good.
Into the oven we go until they are golden or to the right color that you like. It's only the dough that needs to cook, so I'm guessing it's gonna take about 20 minutes, and I will tell you exactly how long it took in my oven. Guys, while the baked one are in the oven, I'm gonna fry the other ones. So I'm just gonna throw some dough in the oil to make sure it is warm or not. It still is not, so I'm gonna let that dough fry to confirm that's the right temperature. So guys, I think this is perfect for as it is right now. I'm gonna take these out, and one of them is milk. think Cherek will try one for us. So the little one is Malik's, Cherek, okay? This one is Malik. And these are the baked Brik Danouni out of the oven. They're still sprinkling. As you can see, ooh, too hot. After you try it, please let me know. I'd appreciate if you tell me how it worked out for you. It's amazing, and you can also change some of the ingredient to make it gluten-free. As I mentioned earlier, just use semolina, corn semolina plus gluten-free flours, and it will be gluten-free for you. I wish you like it. Don't forget to thumbs up and to comment and to subscribe if you haven't yet. Have a wonderful day. You eat it all in one bite? How do you like it?
Good.
Good? That was the fried one. Do you want to try one of the baked one?
They're crunchy.
Lips together.
They're really crunchy.
Yeah, the fried one are super crunchy. That's one of the pros of the fried one. They're super duper crunchy. Hot?
Yeah.
Don't burn yourself. How about the baked one?
Big bite?
Is it good?
Okay, yeah.
Oh, be careful, it's hot.
Hot!
Careful, don't burn yourself.
È buono, grazie
buono.
mille.